So beautiful people, so I welcome you all again to my 365 day of saving and investing the sum of 1000 every single day for 365 days. Now today is day 158, and of course I've added another 1000 using this platform called Cowrywise. Now for you to get started with Cowrywise, once you click the link I'll be leaving in the video description or in the comment section and you're done with the registration, this is definitely the interface you are going to see. Now when you look on the screen, you are going to see how much we are able to accumulate using this platform called Cowrywise. We still have other platform we are using to do the saving and investing. Now one of the tips that keep me consistent is automating my saving, and you too can also do that. Now, how do I automate my saving, or what do I mean by automating my saving? I did it in a way that Cowrywise is going to be debiting the sum of 1000 from my local bank account or my traditional account, and then send it over to Cowrywise without me lifting a finger. Another tip that can keep you consistent is for you to track your spending or reduce the way you spend. Okay, that is another way you can be able to be consistent while saving this 1000. Now, in case you're coming across this channel for the first time and you feel like you are too late to join this challenge, I want to let you know that it is never too late. Besides, I want you to start today. Okay, yes, go ahead and start today. Now I want you to click the like button in appreciation of the value you are getting on this channel. Okay, and I personally want you to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscription button. Yes, go ahead my friend and click on that subscription button. But hey, after clicking on that subscription button, please do not forget to turn on the bell notification, because what the bell notification does is to notify you anytime we are going to drop this video, because I'm going to be dropping it every single day the rest of the year. Now we created a WhatsApp group, and what we'll do in this WhatsApp group is to upload various ways and strategies you can be able to make a lot of money for yourself online and offline. So I'll be leaving the link for this WhatsApp group in the video description and also in the comment section. Join the WhatsApp group and I'm going to be expecting you there. And until tomorrow when I'm going to see you again, my friend. Bye.